Hello friends, welcome back to IITian's Masterclass. Today, we're going to start understanding chemistry from the very basics. Today's video is going to be very short, where we'll discuss what chemistry is, its definition, major branches of chemistry, and examples of their definitions. So, let's start with the definition of chemistry. What is the exact definition? Let's see. Chemistry is a branch of science that studies the composition, properties, and interactions of matter. So, chemistry is a branch of science in which we study the compositions, properties, or interactions of matters. If we look at daily life, every single thing has chemistry. For example, cooking, which involves chemistry even while preparing food, rusting of metals, and many more examples we'll discuss as we go along. So, let's move forward and see which branches of chemistry there are and how they are divided. Although there are many branches of chemistry available based on how or which elements are studied or what applications there are. But today, we'll look at the major four branches in short. So the first branch is organic chemistry, the second is inorganic chemistry, then physical chemistry, and analytical chemistry. So, let's look at their definition or examples one by one. We'll discuss the rest of the branches later. So, let's start with organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry in which only carbon-related compounds are studied. You might think that there are only compounds of one element in organic chemistry, but believe me, there are so many compounds in organic chemistry that may not have been made by combining all the elements of the periodic table. It's a very important branch of chemistry. Earlier, organic chemistry was only considered related to living things. It was believed to have some vital force and only related to living beings. However, as the development progressed, organic compounds were made in the lab, and today the most compounds made are of carbon. Speaking of examples, let's take the simple one that the drinks people commonly consume is ethyl alcohol, which is one compound of organic chemistry. Now let's move on to the next branch, which is inorganic chemistry. Just from the name, you can tell that there's no organic in it. So, the definition is, this is the branch of chemistry which studies everything that is not organic. For example, metals, minerals, and other simple non-carbon containing compounds. So, everything that is not made from carbon is included in inorganic chemistry. There are also many examples. For instance, the jewelry that girls use, which is made of gold and silver. Next is iron, which is used in construction. Now let's move towards the third branch, physical chemistry. So, what is the definition? It's like physical chemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with understanding the behavior and properties of matter at a molecular and atomic level. So, it includes understanding the behavior of matter and what properties it shows. Explaining it in simple terms, for example, understanding why water boils. This is a classical example of physical chemistry. It involves understanding concepts like phase transitions, intermolecular forces, and thermodynamics. So, after looking at these three branches, let's move towards the end of the video. Meaning towards the fourth branch, which is analytical chemistry. See here also from the name, it's clear that analytical means related to analysis. So, the definition is, analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with analysis and study of compounds to determine their composition, structure, and properties. For example, checking the pH of any solution, for example, the pH of water, the acidic and basic nature of solutions. How acidic or basic is any chemical, whether water is suitable for drinking or the pH of water in a swimming pool is checked to see if it's good for swimming or not. So, these are the four important branches of chemistry. I hope you found it helpful to understand the branches of chemistry in short. Thanks for watching this video. Please support us by subscribing to the channel.